This is made of Indi.
Hindi. That one, which made?
Indi what?
Similar to
Hindi that made of silk.
It's a kind of silk.
This is Indi silk.
But I never heard of the word Indi.
Yeah, we call it Indi.
Indi.
Like Baba said.
Yes.
Like
So we'll promote this, no, this lo-fi.
Lopai sansale.
Yeah, lo-fi sansale.
Onari is out of station. I am her mother-in-law.
I see.
So she told me to see you here, to welcome you. That's why I am doing her job. I am not shopkeeper or nor weaver.
So you're the mother-in-law of the
Yeah,
mother-in-law?
With time, it becomes more soft, and during winter, it becomes warm, and during summer, it becomes cool. It's very, very that's the advantage of it. Yeah, very friendly thing. And it's also believed that some skin diseases are also cured.
Well, I'm amazed and honored that you gave it to me. Thank you so much.
Good job, Nate. Good job.
So the most similar I've seen is, I think it's called In. Is it maybe a devotional word?
But I know these very different types of.
Thank you so much.
Alice, I don't go away.
¿Cómo se hace?
Nang lagan na?